Hey y'all, welcome to my next tech tip tutorial. Today I am going to be showing you how I take a resource that is a PDF and use my snipping tool on my computer to take that PDF and change it into a picture, and then I can post it online in different activities. So this resource today is from the Science Penguin. It is her fossils observation stations. I will link this in the comments below. I own the bundle, so that's why it looks like I don't own this right now, but it is in my bundle. So start with whatever PDF you want to take a picture of. And I'm going to work with station 1 here today. So I have my slide up. I'm ready to go. Let me hide that. Okay. Your next step in order to change this PDF into a picture is going to be by using your snipping tool to take a picture. So I'm just going to go down here and search for snipping tool. I know there is a shortcut that you can use, but I just search for snipping tool. I'm going to press new, drag and drop and select what I want in my frame of my picture. And there, it looks pretty good. You can go to File, Save As, and save this picture. I am using my work computer right now, and when I'm on my work computer at home, it's a little tricky to save it, so that's why it's not saving it for me. But if you go to File, Save As, it should work for you. And it will save this as a picture. You could then go to the next observation station and take another picture of that and keep going until you have all of the pictures that you need for the assignment. Okay, so here is the next part. I am in my Google Drive and I'm going to go to New. And obviously you don't see a Google form here, so I'm going to go to More. And there's Google Forms. So you can click on that. I always like to title it so it doesn't get lost. Now, we did the first step and we saved our picture. It was a PDF and now we made it into a picture. So, over on the side, you'll have lots of different options. My first thing that I'm going to do is add an image. If you uploaded your photo to the drive, it would be here. You could click Google Drive, but I didn't, so I'm going to find it from my computer. And here's that picture that we saved. Now, it is in my Google form. The question says, which layers might contain fossils that are older than the fossils found in layer C? One thing that you can do is add your question. You could retype it if you want to. And right now it's a multiple choice question, so you could put all of the different letters. Or I'm going to make it a short paragraph answer where students will just type their answer here. And now that's what it looks like. There is another question here that I can just delete. I think when you start a Google form, it automatically has a question for you. So here's the first part, station 1. They read it, observe it, and type their answer here. You can make this required by turning on the little required sign, and that students will not be able to submit it without answering that question. If you ever want to look at your Google form to see what it looks like, this little eye icon up here on the upper right hand is a preview. So this is what it would look like for students, station 1. Or I could change this to say, like, read the following and answer the question. And then here they go, they type their answer and submit it. Now you can just keep doing the same thing by taking your screenshots or your snipping tool and snipping all 6 of those pictures. and then you would just go add another image, and it would add the second observation station on here. You'd add the question and keep going. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will also link this resource in the comment section. Thanks, y'all.